Hello everybody, David.arustamian here with the Agent DA team at Russ Lyon Sotheby's International Realty. Today I'm going to talk to you about buying a home this summer and why that may just be a good idea. The months leading into summer have proven rapid growth in home prices. This, paired with high demand and low inventory in homes, has created tough competition when it comes to purchasing a home. Now, this may sound worrisome, but there are multiple reasons why, even with high demand, buying a house this summer could be a great financial opportunity. Home loans plummeted due to the coronavirus pandemic. As vaccines roll out, we expect to see an increase in rates. However, even with the anticipated increase, rates will still stay at a record low compared to previous years, making now the perfect time to strike a great deal. On average, a 30-year fixed rate mortgage came out to 3.13%. That, combined with a 10% down payment, will ensure you not only a house you love, but a payment you love as well. In order to purchase a home, it's essential that you feel confident in the market you're buying into. The economy is at a turning point as jobs are rising and states are continuing to open up more businesses. This growing economy will boost the demand in the housing market, encouraging sellers to get their houses on the market promptly. Although the current market can be tough in finding a home at your price point, having a dedicated agent and team on your side will ensure you a seamless transition during the entire home buying process. I'm David.arustamian here at the Agent DA team at Russ Lyon Sotheby's International Realty. If you have any questions regarding this video or any real estate questions in general, call us today. My team and I are here to help you too. Thank you for watching this video.